So this is going to be a quick video on making some labels and also taking images and making them into PNGs with no background. So for this one, I took an applesauce recipe. My brother has a farm and makes products, and so we said, make this into a 2x4 printable label. And I gave it the ingredients and some basic information, and so it wrote it out, front design, other design considerations, print considerations, lovely. Said, okay, now make the image, include the fish, include the farm, include the apples, the sauce, all the text. And so we got this, right? Applesauce, apples, water, salt. It has the jar, it has the fish, it has the apples, it has the farm, has all the key information. It got the spelling right. I would say this was pretty much a success. But I showed it to my brother. He said, nope, and then it's go a different way. So I said, I just wrote the word horizontal and it turned it. Right? It says produced by, pretty good. He didn't love it. So I said, all right, let's see what else. And so we played with some other things. We had some previous designs. In the end, we went a different direction, but this is something that you can do. And it's since the new image generator has come out, it's a world of difference. The next thing here is he said, let's do another one. Let's do a label for quail eggs. He raises quail and he sells the eggs, sells the meat also. But so it's beautiful, right? And especially from such a simple prompt, but it's not exactly the label we're looking for. So I said, let's try, he said, maybe let's do a business card that can go in the packaging. So we did make a business card to sell quail eggs. Again, it gave me the text. I didn't specifically say make it an image. It gave me the text, pretty basic information. I didn't give it any of the information it needs, so it just put in some fillers, and it has the front and the back. And then I said, all right, make the image. And so it made this image. And again, this isn't exactly a business card. This isn't exactly a label. It's a little wordier than I would like, but it did fill in all the information above, and I think it's pretty nice. I said make it much simpler. And it did this. I think this nailed it. Right? I think this is a really nice, simple business card / label that you can put in the packages. Everyone knows all the information. And I could take this, drop it into a tool like Canva Pro, and then change all the lettering. Or I could just do it right here and say, change this information. Here's the information to fill it in. He also asked me, he said, can we take this egg and use it for another design? So I said, all right. And I said, make this a PNG. And you can see the background. You have the image in the background. And just another example, I took his logo. I said, remove the background and make it a PNG. It did that. If you download this is in fact PNG. And we threw this onto the business card in Vistaprint, and he has a great business card now. So just some new features that I think ChatGPT has gotten way better with images, and wanted to share that. Hope this is helpful. Thanks.